Hello everyone, welcome to Mech-In-Tech. So in this video, we are going to see SQL where clause. Where clause is used to filter records. It is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specific condition. So I will give you an example so that you can relate it more. Suppose you are in DMart and your mom asks you for a toothpaste. Okay, so that time you don't know where exactly toothpaste is. So in that case, what you will do, you will go and search everything, every single compartment. You will go and search whether toothpaste is there or not. Okay, but if your mom specify you, like, go to the daily needs section and buy the toothpaste. Okay, and then also you will confuse like which toothpaste should I buy. Okay, but if your mom give you clear condition, like, you have to go to the daily needs section and buy Colgate toothpaste. Okay, so it will be very easy for you. Like, you will go to the daily needs section and you will pick only Colgate. You will not search any other toothpaste brand. Okay, so in same way, when we are using where condition, so we are applying where condition on specific column to satisfy a condition. Now let's see where clause in practical. So I'm having employee table, so I will query employee table. Now see, we are having here few fields. Okay, so I want to search only those record those belong to data engineer department. Okay, so how I will write this query? Just copy this one, select star from employee. After that, where department. After where, you have to specify the column name. Okay, so I am filtering out based on department column, so I will specify here department column. Department is equal to, after that, if you are searching for a string, then we have to specify it in single quote. Okay, in single quote. After that, data engineer. Okay, and now just run. See, we get only those record which are having data engineer as department. Now if you want to like filter out based on salary. Okay, so what you can do, you can just specify a salary column, and then specify salary. Okay, so I want to search for 30,000 salary. Okay, now just run. See, we are having records those having 30,000 as a salary. So like whenever you are like specifying int values, then you no need to give single quote.